But now to that ABC News exclusive and that extraordinary footage inside the plane crash. This we want to show you is the kind of camera it was shot on. It's called a GoPro camera, and it is a remarkable, remarkable video. Take a look. Those passengers don't know it yet, but they are seconds away from experiencing the worst fear of every air traveler. Suddenly, the alarm sounds. The plane is going down, spiraling into the ocean.
Life jacket.
A mad scramble as water fills the inside of the plane. Survivors going for the exits. Clinging to anything they can get their hands on.